Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a quick 10-minute yoga routine to help you feel calm, energized and refreshed. You can do this practice in the morning, right after waking up, or even in the evening to release stiffness and stress. Let's begin. Now sit comfortably with a tall spine. Take your hands to the sides. Now slowly raise your arms up, inhale, interlock your fingers, turn your palms up, stretch. Now feel a gentle stretch from your hips all the way up to your fingertips. As you exhale, bring your hands down, tuck your chin to chest, relax the back of your neck. So inhale, raise your arms up, interlock your fingers. As you exhale, bring your hands down, tuck your chin to chest. One last time, as you inhale, raise your arms, interlock and stretch. Exhale, bring your hands down from the sides, tuck your chin to chest. Good. Sit comfortably with a tall spine. Now take your hands to the sides. As you inhale, slowly raise your arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Stretch from your hips all the way up to the tips of your fingers, and then as you exhale, bring your hands down, take your chin to chest, relax the back of your neck. Again, inhale, stretch your arms up, interlock your fingers, lengthen your spine, and then as you exhale, bring your hands down, round your back, relax the back of your neck. One more time. So inhale, stretch, exhale, bring your hands down from the sides. Now press into your fingertips, look forward. Place your right palm on your mat, stretch the left arm up, inhale, bend to your right, feel a good stretch on your left side. Inhale, come to center, place your left palm down, stretch your right arm overhead, bend to your left and look up. Inhale, come to center, right palm down, stretch your left arm overhead. Make sure that your left hip stays on the ground. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, take your right arm overhead. Now one last time. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. And stay here for some time. Look up through the elbow and hold. Now inhale, come to center. Exhale, stretch your right arm overhead and slowly turn your head up towards the sky. Now inhale, return back to center. Exhale, relax. From here, now stretch your legs out in front of you. Point your toes towards the face. Good. Inhale, raise your arms up, open your chest, roll your arms back and stretch your spine forward, reaching for your toes. Inhale, raise your arms up, roll your arms back and reach for your toes. Twice more. Inhale, reach up, rolling your shoulders back and down. Exhale, reach for your toes. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach for your toes. Now hold your feet if you can, or you can just rest your hands on your shin. Gently let your head drop and stay here for a moment. For 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down from the sides. Very nice. Now from here, bring the soles of your feet together. We do butterfly pose to open up the hips. Hold your feet and start flapping your legs up and down, up and down. Continue with this movement. Keep your back straight, nice and easy. Another 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. That's now slowly start moving your upper body in circle. Inhale, roll to your right, come gently forward, lean to your left and come back to center. So inhale, make a big circle, exhale, gentle forward fold. So inhale, lean back, exhale, forward fold. One last time, inhale, lean back, exhale, forward fold. Now we're gonna reverse the direction. So lean over to your left, back, right and front. Another 3. So go to your left, back, right and front. Just twice more. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Very nice. Now inhale, come to center. On your next exhalation, go for a gentle forward fold. Take your hands in front and lower your head down. Stay here. Feel a good stretch in your lower back and your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So breathe in, lift your chest up. Breathe out, walk your hands back. Now just cross your ankles. You're going to go for a gentle twist here. So again, inhale, raise your arms up, lengthen. And then as you exhale, take your hands to your right side. Hold your right leg with your left hand. Take your right hand behind and gently twist your spine towards the right side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist to your left. Look back. Another 2. Inhale. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale. Exhale, twist to your left. One last time. Inhale. Exhale right and let's hold it for 3. Keep looking back. Look over your right shoulder. 2 and 1. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist to your left and hold it for another 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale, return back to center. From here, just lie down on your back now. Nice and easy. Good. Bend your knees and gently press your thighs into your belly. Take your arms forward and wrap it around your shin. Start rocking side to side, giving a good massage to your back to release any stiffness from your lower back. Nice, and then slowly come to center. Now take a deep breath in here, and then as you exhale, gently pull your knee towards the chest. Keep pressing your lower back into your mat. Relax your neck. And then as you exhale, gently bring your head down. Now place your feet on your mat. Take your feet a little wider than your hips. Open your arms to the sides to form a T. Inhale. And on your next exhalation, drop your legs towards the right side. Keep pressing that left knee down so that you get equal stretch on both sides of your hips. Inhale, return back to center. And then as you exhale, drop your legs towards the left side. Now keep going side to side. Exhale right. Exhale left. Continue, flow with your breath. Exhale right. Exhale left. Another 3. Exhale right. Exhale left. Exhale right. Exhale left. One last time. Exhale right. Now hold it for about 3 breaths here. 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, drop it to your left side and hold for 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, return back to center. Exhale, stretch your legs back and lie down in Shavasana. Now lie down on your back. Take your feet little wider than your hips. Feet falling on either sides, arms by your sides, and turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Now just relax here for a brief moment. Now very soon, the back of your body is going to feel a gentle warmth. Allow this sensation to rise through the front of your body. Now as your breathing becomes slower and deeper, gently start moving your toes and your fingers. Rock your head side to side and bring it back to center. Now gently join your legs. Stretch your arms long over your head. Give a nice stretch to your whole body, a good wake up stretch. Inhale and exhale it out through your mouth with a sigh. Now release the grip and then gently bend your knees, roll to the sides, press into your palms and come up. Come and sit in any comfortable seated position with your eyes closed.